Logged in as Urmi Subs. If I'm logged in as Urmi Subs, this is my friend's phone. He doesn't have Urmi Subs logged in their Gmail calendar. So if they log in as Urmi Subs and try to do something here for any patient that they have and try to add the task, they get an alert saying calendar is not found. So please add Urmi Subs Gmail calendar to continue. And then you have to just say okay. And then actually go back out of the system, do Urmi Subs, add Urmi Subs Gmail account in this phone, and only then you can continue. Otherwise, what you have to do is log in with the. So here you have to log in with your personal email address. So you will be having your personal email address, and password for everyone is easy123, and then you have to log in. And when you log in, you go to schedule, and then you create a calendar. You do something, and then you will see only two patients. One will be easy patient 1 and the other one will be your Monash email address. So I have given you two email addresses so that you can switch and see it in your account. Easy patient 1, and then do an alarm or whatever. Okay. Oh, okay. So it still gives this error. I will fix this. And as you can see, you get the notification for this patient, and when you go into the calendar here, it gets added into the calendar. If you go to their Google Calendar, it gets added to the Google Calendar as well, this one here. And as you can see, easy patient 1 is added as a guest. So I think they don't have easy patient 1's email address. I've added easy patient 1 into their account, into their phone, and when I see the events, I can see the same event, and I can also get the notification, as you can see on the top, with all the details. So this is what you have to test ideally. And basically now if you go back to the application here and try to edit it with other person's email address and update it, it will update here. It will update in their phone's calendar, and this will ideally go in some time. And by then, let's see this one. Yep. So as you can see, it has changed the guest. This is the caretaker's login, and the guest has been changed to Urmi94 instead of easy patient 1, and the notes have not been changed yet. And now let's see if the easy patient 1 has the event anymore. So the easy patient 1 does not have the event because it has been deleted for them.